This video you will learn how to put a link in your Instagram story. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to add a link into your Instagram story, you have to open your Instagram application. I have opened it. Now let me load it. Okay, so I will swipe right to the page and add a specific story or any story I want. So I will capture this photo as my story. Now you can see the twisted page icon which is next to the alphabet A. I will click on it, and on the 12th number of the stickers you can see that link is mentioned and it is popping up. I will click on it, and now it is asking me that add link, and below this is mentioned that URL and http example.com. so you can put your desired link here. So I have already copied my channel link which is on which you are watching this video. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe our channel. So I have put this address and put this link in my Instagram story. Now whoever watches this story and click on this will land on my YouTube channel on which you are watching this video. So this is the whole process of adding a link in your Instagram story. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any questions in your mind, you can ask us in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.